Welcome back to Flow and Slow Barbecue. Today I'm installing the WSM Grommet into my Weber kettle. I think it should be a standard accessory. It's not, so we have to drill a hole. Okay, this is the piece we're installing. It is pretty exactly 3 centimeters if you deduct this here. So the whole thing is 4 centimeters. I'm going to use a small drill to drill a small pilot hole, make it a little bigger with a bigger drill, and then use my step bit, which goes to 32 millimeters. So 30 it is. I will still go step by step. I used some tape to cover the area I'm drilling in. I'm going to use this to clean up the hole, and of course the power drill, and guess what, a kettle. As you can see, I taped off the area where I want to put the hole. The grommet cannot sit entirely above the grate, but the probes go through the top part, so you need to be kind of close under this lip. We go around here. This is where I made my markings. It's not going to be quite as big. This is the entire size of the grommet. It's going to be a centimeter less. I'm going to drill outside in, and also I hope that the tape will prevent the coating from chipping. We'll find out. Let's start with the first small hole, called a pilot hole. Yeah, good enough. We left some space up here. Next bigger one. And now the step bit. Okay, for the there it is. For the step bit, I got my trusted assistant, and well, actually it's my wife, to hold the grill down, because I'm gonna need all my strength here. This will be very noisy. Just in time before the thunderstorm starts. It's in. It's a very snug fit. I had to go to 32 millimeters actually. Here are my probes. And this is how they go through the grommet. I kind of like this. Actually I can fit them through both ways. Let me see if I can do this. See? And even this really thick one would actually, sorry for the camera, but I'm doing this freehand. You can get the whole thing through there. See? Awesome.